Hello dear students, today we will continue algebra chapter number 1, 1.5. First, second, third sum done. Now fourth. Denominator and numerator is given. So let the numerator be x, denominator be y. Now they have given condition 1 that denominator is 4 more than twice the numerator. Denominator is 4 more than twice the numerator, and then we have to subtract 6 from numerator and denominator. So new numerator x minus 6, new denominator y minus 6. Second condition they have given that new denominator is 12 times the new numerator. So this is second condition. So open the bracket, 12 ones are 12, 12 6 is 72. Now what is y that I have taken from this? 2x plus 4. 2x plus 4 minus 6 LCM. Now 72 this side, 4 minus 6 minus 2, 12 minus 2. So it is 70 minus 10x. Divide both the side by 10. So x is equal to 7. So substitute x is equal to 7 in y is equal to 2x plus 4. So x is equal to 7. 7 to the 14. 14 plus 4, 18. So I got y. So I will substitute in any equation. So x and y, these are numerator and denominator. So the numerator x is equal to 7, denominator is equal to y is equal to 18. So the fraction is equal to numerator divided by denominator. So x by y is equal to 7 by 18. Now question number 5. There are two type of the box name A and B. A box 150 piece, B box 100 piece. We have to find out the weight of both. Suppose A box having x kg, B box having y kg. One box x kg, 150 box 150 x kg. B box y kg, 100 box 100 y kg. Total number of kg they have given. They have given 10 ton. 10 ton, 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg. So 10 ton into 1000. So 10,000 kg. So 150 into x, 100 into y, the total capacity is 10,000 kilogram. Now one another condition given. Now instead of 150 box there is 260 box. Instead of 100 box it is 40 box. Changes. Then also the total weight is 10,000 kilogram. So one box of A contain x kilogram, so 260 x. B box contain y kg, so 40 y, and the total again same. So this is the second. Now equation first divide by 50. So we will get 50 3s are 50 2s are 50 into 200 are 10,000. Then equation 2, this full equation divided by 20. So divide by 20 you will get 30. Divide by 20 you will get 2. Divide by 20 you will get 500. Now equation 2 minus equation 1. This is equation 2 minus 1. So this equation I will copy. This equation I will copy here. Now to subtract the equation, 13 minus 3 is equal to 10. 2x minus 2x is equal to 0. 500 minus 200 is equal to 300 sorry. So divide by 10, or you can omit the 0. So x is equal to 30. So x is equal to 30, substitute in any equation. This. So 33 is a 90, 2y, 200, 200 minus 90, it is 110, it is 2y, divide by 2, you will get 55. So box A contain x kg is equal to 30 kg, box B contain y kg, so 55 kg. Now third, one person travel some distance by bus, some distance by plane. So there is distance in kilometer, by bus x kilometer travel, by plane y kilometer travel, but the total distance travel that is given 1900, and speed of bus is given 60 kilometer per hour, speed of plane is given 700 kilometer per hour. So speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is equal to distance by time. So time is equal to distance by speed. So time is equal to distance by speed. Time is equal to distance by speed. Distance by speed. So x by 60, y by 700. But the total time taken is equal to 5 hours. Now condition 1, that is total time, by bus time, by plane time, total time is 5 hours. So 5 hours is equal to this time plus this time, and I multiply by 10. So in 5 become 50, and multiply by 10, so 0 cut, multiply by 10, so again 0 cut. Now I have taken LCM. One easy method, under this write the product of these two, under this write the product of this two, under this write the product of rest of two, that is your LCM. So this into this means 50 into 6 into 70, that is 2100, 0. 70 into x, 70x, 6 into 1 into y, 6y. Condition number 2, the total distance travel is 1900. So I will find y is equal to 1900 minus x. Now the same I will substitute here, y. So replace y by 1900 minus x. This will be the same, this will be the same, multiply by 6, multiply by 6. Now number on one side, this will transfer to negative, this will transfer to positive. Now 9600 divided by 64, x divided by 64, you will get 150 kilometer. X, that is a burst distance travel. So substitute x is equal to 150 in y equation. Y is equal to 1900 minus x. X is equal to 150. 1900 minus 150, it is 1750 kilometer. So distance by bus is equal to x is equal to 150 kilometer. Distance traveled by plane, y is equal to 1750 kilometer. Now total rate is 1900. So repeat this video, try to get this idea, and try to understand this tabular form. Tabular form is the best method for the word problem. Then you write in your notebook. 1.4 is also remain. So tomorrow I will give 1.4 solution. Okay, thank you.